Kironda giothe giekerirwo ni mundu murume ona weo kana weo mware wa pastor gikarutwo ni mundu rume ungi.
Tacokera tutinaigua tacokera
kironda o giothe giekerirwo ni mundu murume gikarutwo ni mundu murume. Kironda o giothe giekerirwo ni mundu muka gikarutwo ni mundu muka. If you are hurted by a lady, Aramis cannot help you.
Sure. Amen. Never by the way.
You need to get another person, a lady ambaye atakupenda na kuondole hayo. Hiyo sio skazi ambazo zinatokaga na maombi. Hata ukikuja ona tugikuhoera mundu wa Ngai, heartbreak nderutagwo na spiritual kana kwa maguta mutiendanire thiini ya the ya kiroho macio ni maundu ma mwiri-ini. I am repeating it again. If you are heartbroken by a man, you will need to be healed by another man. If you are heartbroken by a lady, your healing is in the hands of another lady. Say amen.
Amen.
Kani?
Amen.
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 Amen. Kanini?
Amen.
Ibrahimu ule agikatia. Ibrahimu agicoka agiukira akiuma hau mundu ucio wake mukuo ari akiuma hau mundu ucio wake mukuo ari. It takes loving yourself and putting yourself, choosing your geithia. Amen.